We often use dynamic charts in our practical work. Use the mouse to select different preset items in the slicer. Then the chart will change with the selected item. This video will show you how to quickly create simple dynamic charts. Take this table as an example. We select any cell in the table, click Table under the Insert tab to create a super table, or we can use the shortcut Ctrl-L to quickly open Create Table and click OK. Get into the Table Tools tab and click Insert Slicer. In the pop-up Insert Slicers dialog, we can check Name. Then a slicer called Name will pop up. Then we select All Table Contents and click Chart under the Insert tab. Here we can quickly create a chart by pressing the shortcut Alt F1. When we click the name on the slicer, we'll find that something magical has happened. The table and the chart we created will change at the same time, forming a linkage effect. These are the tips for creating the simple dynamic charts. Did you get it?